Meaning of harpsichord.
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 Harpsichord. A harpsichord is a musical instrument that produces sound by plucking strings with a plectrum. The instrument has a keyboard similar to that of a piano but produces a softer, more delicate sound. It was widely used from the Renaissance through the Baroque era and was a popular choice for both solo and ensemble performances. The harpsichord has largely been surpassed by the piano in modern times, but it remains an important historical instrument in the study and performance of early music.